Hey, have you ever opened your website and thought, wait, when did I start selling weird stuff in Japanese? Or maybe your site is redirecting to some shady links, or you are like, what's going on? Well, don't worry, this series is here to fix all of that. Hi, I'm Prashant, and I know how it feels when your website gets hacked. It's stressful, confusing, and honestly, really annoying. But the good news is you don't need to be panicked. I have created video series to guide you step by step to identify, fix, and protect your site from hackers. This series is for everyone, whether you are just starting out, you have been blogging for a while, or you manage a professional website. I will take you from the basics like checking your website whether it is hacked to advanced solution for cleaning up the mess and keep your website safe for the future. And don't worry, this is not a rocket science. You won't need to be code or a tech wizard. I will explain everything in simple terms so you can follow along. Even if tech stuff makes you want to run away, I will make it simple. So here is what we will cover in the series. The first one is how to check your website whether it is hacked or not. The second one is basic fixes like changing passwords and the updating plugins. Third one is how to remove those spam and weird links from Google index. Fourth one is cleaning up your site's code if needed. And fifth one is finally some easy paid solutions if you want to save your time and effort. It's like a step-by-step guide to take your website from hacked to healthy. So what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button, grab a cup of top coffee or tea, let's get started. And also don't skip the videos, watch them in order. You will be a website fixing pro in no time. No, actually it takes time. If you have any questions or stories about your website struggles, leave them in the comment. I would love to hear them. Alright, let's fix your website step by step. Stay calm, stay focused, and let's do it together. Thank you.